The best 15 tips to make a good PowerPoint presentation. Many professionals use PowerPoint software to help them deliver presentations, while PowerPoint's designed to be user-friendly even for professionals outside of the technology field. There are many techniques and features that you can learn about to improve your PowerPoint presentation. Knowing more about the various strategies and customizable options available to PowerPoint users can help you optimize the effectiveness and stylish features of your presentations. We would like to inform you that there are bonus tips and they are limited lifetime deal for those who follow this video until the end. So stay tuned, dear viewer. The first step is know your audience. Before you begin preparing a PowerPoint presentation, consider your audience. Personalize your presentation format and message based on what your audience might already know about the subject and how much it could engage them. For example, if you're presenting to a group of professionals in your field, you can discuss or explain the topic in detail. In contrast, if you're giving a presentation to professionals considering a career transition in your field, it might be best to simplify the language and concepts that you use. Tip number 2, minimize your text. Limit your text to only the essential information on each slide. Keeping the text on your slides to a minimum, it can help your attendees focus on what you're saying rather than feeling distracted by the amount of text they can read on your slides. Think of the text on your PowerPoint presentation slides as notes about the main ideas that you can then elaborate on during your live presentation, using one full sentence per slide or including bullet points. This can be a good strategy for achieving this. Number 3, be intentional with colors. Strive for color harmony with the colors of your slide backgrounds, fonts, and images. Color harmony refers to the types and shades of colors that you incorporate into a single design. Choose color combination for your PowerPoint that can help you deliver both the emotional impact and the contextual detail in each slide. For example, if you're giving a presentation about a particular company, you might want to primarily use colors in your PowerPoint that present that brand. As another example, if you want your presentation to inspire your audience to take action afterward, you might incorporate bold colors like nuance into your PowerPoint presentation. The 4th tip is to add audio. How? Include audio clips on specific slides. These audio clips may be interviews, music, or even fun sound effects. Adding audio clips can help you activate your audience's senses, which may increase their engagement with your presentation. As another idea, add an audio clip of your own voice. The Insert menu has an audio option that allows you to record snippets and tie them directly to slides. This can be a useful feature if you notice a particular point in your presentation that trips you up when practicing your delivery. And now let's go to tip number 5. Select appropriate font styles. Choose PowerPoint's fonts that are easy to read and look professional, such as Verdana, Tahoma, Helvetica, Palatino, or Courier. Many professionals use different font styles for their headers and body text. If you decide to use multiple font styles, pick fonts that complement one another. For example, if the font for your slide header is Courier, you might use a style with a more straight edges for the body of your text. Also, consider the size of your font in relation to the type of audience at your presentation and the venue. Number 6, create a consistent design. Although the individual contents of each of your slides might vary, try to use a consistent visual theme throughout the presentation. A uniform design can help your audience focus their attention on the other aspect of your slide, like the text or images. You can use either the design templates that comes with your PowerPoint program or search for customized design templates online. Now, tip number 7, be selective with your transitions. Use only a few animated transitions on each slide. PowerPoint allows users to customize both how information appears on each slide and how each slide transitions to the next one. Cool, huh? While using too many of these transitions can become distracting, using a couple for each slide can help you parse out how much information you deliver to your audience at once. Number 8, incorporate charts and graphs. If you're sharing data as part of your presentation, use PowerPoint's internal graphs and charts. You can access these features from the Insert tab at the top of the screen. These visualization tools can help your audience comprehend the significance of the number or calculations you're sharing with them. And now let's go to number 9. Include animations. Add animations to your slide to make them more dynamic. By accessing PowerPoint's animation pane, you can customize the styles of your animations for various objects or groups on your slides. Using this pane can not only lend a little oomph to a presentation, but it can help break up the drawn of expectation from the crowd. You can use the morph transition features to include animations. Create a slide, duplicate it, and apply the morph transition to the first slide. This transition works very similarly to keyframes in animation software. And the 10th tip is make your presentation more accessible. Consider implementing strategies that can make your presentation accessible to a wider audience. Sometimes you might have professionals interested in your presentation who aren't available to attend your event live. Well, luckily, PowerPoint makes it easy for you to convert your presentation into a PDF document. You can then make this PDF available for download on a website or share the files through email. You can also export your presentation as a video that people can watch at their convenience. Number 11, record your screen. Consider using PowerPoint's screen recording feature available on the Insert menu. This screen recording capability allows you to add snippets and capture of work you've completed directly to your slides. This option can be useful if, for example, you're giving a presentation about using features on a website or software program. Now, tip number 12, rehearse your presentation. Rehearsing your presentation several times can help you determine a logical flow or order for the information included on each of your slides. It can also give you the opportunity to think about aspects of your presentation style, such as speaking clearly and enunciating every word. You might find it helpful to either record yourself or talk in front of a mirror so you can get a sense of how your audience may perceive you during your presentation. If there's a time limit on your presentation, such as if you're speaking at a conference or in a classroom, use a timer when you practice to make sure you're not going too fast or too slow. Tip number 13, design unique shapes. Use the PowerPoint shape tool to create customized shape designs. You can use PowerPoint shapes for a range of purposes, including emphasizing different parts of your text or customizing your slide background. By right-clicking on the shape and choosing Edit Points. You can alter the dimensions or corners of your shape's design. You can also combine two different shapes into one by navigating to Shape Format, followed by Merge Shapes. Tip number 14, customize your toolbar. Customize your toolbar. If you frequently use PowerPoint, consider customizing your quick access toolbar. This toolbar can make it easier for you to access the features that you most often use. The quick access toolbar sits just above the main ribbon that offers tabs such as Home, Inserts, and Review. Select the features that appear on your quick access toolbar by clicking on the white arrow that faces downward. located right above the main ribbon. From there, choose More Commands, and then find the list that says Choose Commands From. After selecting commands not in the ribbon, you can customize your quick access toolbar by highlighting a command from this list and then clicking on the Add button. And finally, number 15, turn on Track Changes. Use PowerPoint built-in Track Changes features if you're collaborating with another professional or team on your presentation. If you turn on the Track Changes feature, PowerPoint can then maintain a record of any adjustments made to the slide deck, even if you save over those changes. Track Changes also allow collaborators to leave comments on different slides. While these comments won't appear during presentation mode, they can be useful when deciding how to edit your slide deck. We have come to the end of the video, and this is the link to the limited lifetime deal. You can download Expert Slides PowerPoint presentation added in about this link. Go there. And follow our channel, Future 2099, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new. Bye-bye.